am going grocery shopping, so I just need to make a shopping list. First, I check what's in the fridge. We have a little bit of fruit, tomatoes, 2 mangoes, some celery, and carrots, a capsicum. On this side, okay, I don't need eggs, and cucumber. Okay, so I definitely need lettuce, and I don't have any meat. Let's have a look what's in the freezer. Oh, my ice pack. Okay, got that to make, and I have a little bit of mincemeat and some chicken left. Okay. Dropping everything. Okay, that's in there. In here, I have some pasitsi, I have some prawns. Let me have a look what's on the other side. Oh, I didn't cook the jalapenos for the party. Bugger. Oh well. Today I'm going to have this delicious huge mango that I bought on the weekend. Would you believe it? These were only $2 each. I love mango season, don't you? Hello friends, and welcome to Vlogmas day 13. Oh my goodness, we're over the halfway mark. I can't believe it that Christmas is just so close. So today is a bit of a reset day. I have grocery to do, I have laundry to do, and I want to work on that DIY project of resetting my kitchen table centerpiece and maybe my coffee table as well, and I'll take you along for that. Day 13 of the ASOS Face and Body Advent Calendar. Oh, it feels heavy and loud. It doesn't take up all the space in the box, so let's have a look what's in here. A package within a package. This is Be by Bakuchiol Booster. It's a facial oil, and it's to regenerate. I haven't seen this brand before. It's a nighttime facial oil containing bakuchiol, a plant-derived alternative to retinol. Helps to stimulate collagen production for plumper looking skin, whilst helping to improve tone and texture for a brighter, smoother and more even looking complexion. Ideal for skin that requires some extra plumping or with uneven tone or texture. How to use: mix 2 to 3 drops into serums, moisturizers or masks. Alternatively, apply directly to clean, dry skin. Okay, and apparently the ingredients are very simple. There's just 2. There's squalene, olive, and bakuchiol. I've never heard of that. If anyone knows anything about it, please let me know. Otherwise, I'll go Google and fill you in later on. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, it's in a purple bottle. It's a clear oil. Oh, that feels lovely. It sinks in. It feels beautiful and smooth. See that shine? That's very pretty. I think I'll put some on the other hand too. These are the first areas that show aging in us, because really we don't take as care of them as we do of our face. That feels lovely. I love that. Okay. Beautiful. Day 13 is done. I'm off to go and get some groceries, take my daughter to work, and also continue doing laundry and then get started on my DIY. Let's start our day. Back from Woolies. I really didn't need much when I went in there, but you know what it's like when you go, and although you fill up everything that's on your shopping list, you end up buying whatever else grabs your attention because it's specifically on sale. So let me just unpack all this, I'll lay it all out, and then I'll show you what I bought. So let me show you what I needed and what I bought. I bought a soap container, a plastic one, a soap box for my husband who's going to the gym lately and needs soap. So this is so that he can put his soap obviously in it when he gets all wet. I needed kitchen paper, so I stocked up and bought that. I needed some sandwich resealable bags, Glen 20, Mr. Sheen, some makeup pads to remove makeup. These items are all on the shopping list. These were not on the shopping list. I went down the chocolate aisle and they were 80 cents on sale. I think it was half price or something like that. Anyway, and these are my favorite types of chocolates. I bought some steak. I bought this. It's a sizzle steak, but I'm going to slice it up for a stir fry that I'm going to be making either tonight or Thursday night. Shapes were on sale for half price, so I stocked up on these. I don't know what happens to them in my house. I buy them and then they just disappear. So whenever they're on sale for half price, I generally stock up. Kitchen paper, these are my favorite ones. They have a lovely lavender scent and they work fine. I need to stock up on the air wicks. I put these in my bathrooms to make it smell nice. Milk, personal hygiene products for my girls, barbecue rice crackers, these are yummy, so I buy those, and my hazelnut flavoring coffee flavors that I have in the morning. I stocked up on these, I was running low. Serviettes, lunch for myself and my husband today. I was cleaning out the medicine cabinet yesterday and I saw that we had no Telfast, and someone told me to use Voltaren for the pain in my knee. Look, the knee is getting better, but I thought I'd get some Voltaren just to help with some pain. I've started doing some physio on it and that will help remove the fluid. That's what's causing the pain, the fluid built up in the knee that hasn't gone away yet in the since the operation. Let's see. Plain corn chips. I'm going to make nachos, if not tonight, then Thursday night. Dog food, cat litter, cat food, gumption. I love this. I use it all the time. My husband uses it on the barbecue. We use it on the toilet. We use it in the sink. It makes it come up shiny. Toothpaste, we were low on. Body soap, we were low on. Dove was half price or 40% off, so I stocked up on that. Rexona was only 20% off, but I needed to restock on that. Second, makeup wipes we needed. Nail polish remover, cat food. My cats will only eat this, and it's getting expensive, this brand, but I thought last time I'd buy them something else that was half price for $1 a can. I kid you not, they would not eat it. They just left it there. So I'm now stuck with these cans that I bought on sale that they just don't eat. Glad Bake, and this loaf is for my dogs. I found that they love it, and it is so economical because I can get a good week out of this, and it's only $5 something, as opposed to getting cans of My Pal or My Dog, which is so much more expensive. Let's see, what have I left? Avocado for the nachos, cabbage for the stir fry that I'm going to be making, capsicum for the stir fry. My son asked for some basil pesto. He likes to spread this through his noodles when he makes himself a noodle snack. These were an impulse buy. They're roast nut mix. They look delicious. Nectarines, because we're getting into summer season and my kids like summer fruit. Blackberries, they were on sale. I think they were only $3, so I couldn't resist those. Sour cream for the nachos. Mongolian lamb stir fry for the stir fry that I'm going to be making. And I think that might be it. Let me show you what I do with my plastic bags. I don't know that everyone does this, but I know I certainly do. My plastic bags end up looking like that. And of course, they actually take up more space when you just sort of rumple them up like that, as opposed to what I do, which is I fold them. Let me put you on a stand so that I can free up my hands and show you how I fold my plastic bags before I take them out shopping again. So I lay them flat down and then divide them into thirds down the center, and then a third again on itself, and then I fold that into a triangle, a second triangle, and then I use the handle to flip it over, and there you go. The bag is tied up neatly onto itself. It can easily pop into my handbag without taking up too much space, and it just sits neatly wherever I put it. I'll do another one just to show you, or you could just replay the video and see it again. But it's very simple. Once you get the hang of it, it's actually very easy for me. However, I must say my family hasn't picked up the knack of folding them like that yet. And you can do this with any type of bag. Here's an old Baker's Delight bread bag that I've been using also. And this one is a different shape bag, but I follow a similar technique. So I fold it in half on itself, and then I fold it again. And then starting from the bottom, I form a triangle, and then fold it on itself all the way to the top. And then the last little bit gets folded on itself in the same shape as the triangle that it's ended. And then this gets flipped in and tucked inside, a bit like a nappy. There you go. Easy peasy. Louis. Okay, you've the end of the vlog. We're in the pantry now for the final advent calendar for the day. Today's day 13. And let's have a look what's in here. Ooh, another lovely Prosecco. These are delicious to drink. Let me just check how many. It's a 1.8. I'm going to have to share it or just be greedy and drink it all myself. I'll pop this in the fridge. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you're enjoying this series. Please let me know so far which has been your favorite Vlogmas day in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I hope you're having a fabulous day and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.